If you want to add or change keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open Settings. In here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to go to General Management. Next, we're gonna proceed to the Samsung keyboard settings. And then in here, we can tap on Languages and Types. In here, in order to add a new language, you need to go to Manage Input Languages, and then you can turn on the language that you wish to use on your phone if you have it available in here in Downloaded Languages. And if you don't have it in there, then we need to scroll down and you need to download the language first. So let's say I'm gonna search for German. There we go. And we can use the download button in here. And then once it is downloaded, we should be able to have it activated right after that. And if you want to remove the language that was previously selected because you no longer need it, then of course we can tap on the switcher again to turn it off. Now, besides that, if you decide to use 2 languages or more, if you open your keyboard, then here on the left side we have this globe icon, which we can use in order to switch between different languages, and the current language is displayed on the spacebar. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.